Today I'm going to make marmalade with only natural ingredients. Most of you will actually have the ingredients at home: oranges, lemon, sugar, water. That is all you need. Now there's nothing better than marmalade on a slice of toast with a cup of tea in the morning. It is one of my favorites. Let's get started with this recipe. The oranges in half. And the lemon in half. Cut the oranges into thin slices. Add the oranges and the lemons to the pan and all the juices. Pour in the water. Okay, so you bring this to the boil and just stir occasionally. Beautiful. We'll turn that off. Now what we'll do is stir in sugar. So we'll cover this up now and we'll leave it at room temperature overnight. And we'll continue the process tomorrow. So now we're actually going to bring the mixture to the boil. Okay, it was brought to the boil. All right. Now we're going to reduce the heat down to low. Just give that a little bit of a stir. And let it simmer now for about 2 hours, uncovered. I'm just at the 1 hour mark now. So it's reduced down the liquid a little bit. So just keep an eye on it. So we've got another hour to go. We've hit the 2 hour mark. So I'm going to turn the heat up now to bring it to the boil. I'm going to boil for about 30 minutes, quite gently, and then stir. Marmalade till it reaches 220 degrees. Now it must hit that temperature for the natural pectin to gel with the sugar. All the foam that you can see at the top, I've got to scoop that out. I've added some of the marmalade onto a saucer, so we're actually going to put this in the fridge to let it set. Now if it's not hard or runny, it's perfect, it's right. But if it's too hard, you've got to add a little bit of water. If it's too runny, you just got to cook it a little bit more. I'm very happy now with the consistency in the marmalade. I've got that out of the fridge, so I'm very happy with that. We are now ready to bottle the marmalade. Just make sure you use a jar that's already hot before you put the hot marmalade in the jar. And once you've done that, you seal it and you add it in the fridge. I've transferred the marmalade into a jug just to make it a little bit easier to pour into the jars. So here we go, let's pour. Wet with a clean down paper towel. There we go. And then we'll just seal it.